How to use Battle Emote in Mobile Legends? Here's how. First, on the main screen of Mobile Legends, look for the preparation button at the bottom of your screen, tap on it, click on the effects to open the menu where you can customize your battle emotes. Within the effect menu, look and select the emote option to open your selection of available emotes. You will now see a list of emotes available to you. Scroll to the list and tap on the battle emote you want to add to your selection. Tap the plus icon located at the bottom of your screen to open the slot for the additional emotes. You can add up to 4 emotes in total, so repeat this process for the remaining 3 slots. Once you have selected all the emotes you want, tap on the Save Settings. Additionally, if you want to use the same set of emotes for every hero you own, click on the Apply for All Heroes option at the bottom of the screen. Lastly, confirm your choice by tapping the OK button. That's it. This is how to use Battle Emote in Mobile Legends.